MANUSsim, fast and affordable CNC simulation and verification software. MANUSsim has a huge CNC machine tool library of 3, 4, 5, and 6-axis milling machines, mill turns with turrets, mill turns with B-axis heads, and mill turns with sub-spindles. With CAM integration modules, transfer all your data quickly from the CAM program. And it simulates real NC programs for many control units. MANUSsim has collision and collision risk detection, axis over travel detection, rapid cut and gouge detection, and C program error detection features. And it also has cut stock and model comparison, cutting information display, tool length optimization, split stock manager, and many other features. Thank you for watching.